everybody, I'm going to show you how to create a Bitmoji classroom using Google Slides. So you're going to start off in Google Chrome on Google. Go ahead on up to these dots and scroll down until you get to Google Slides. And we'll do a blank presentation. And this is where you can create your Bitmoji classroom. So the first thing I'm going to do is add a background. So you're going to tap Insert, and then, I'm going to tap Background. I'm going to choose an image, and I'm going to Google search, and I'm going to look for wall and floor to give me an indoor look. It's going to give me all kinds of different options. I'm going to pick something really simple like this. Insert. And now I've got the background to my classroom. Now I can add different furniture. I'm going to hit Insert, Image, and I'm going to search. And the key here is to type transparent before anything you search so that you don't get that background. So I might do transparent desk. And let's see, maybe I'll put in this one. Oops. There we go. And I can resize it to the size I'd like and stick it in my classroom. Then I might do a transparent chalkboard. And come on, you. There we go. This one, oh no, now it works twice. This one is not transparent, so I'm going to go ahead and delete it. And I'm going to just try a different one. Search the web. Let's see. How about, let's try this one. Insert. There we go. That one's transparent and doesn't have a background. Awesome. Now I'm going to show you how you can link some content. Since my overview showed some of my linked resources, I'm going to show you how I can link some direct instruction. So over here, I already have a recording of myself doing some direct instruction. This was a recycling lesson I taught. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a screenshot of this and go ahead and copy, I'm just going to grab this picture of me. Now what that does is it saves it to my clipboard, so I can come on back over here and I can Control V to paste it. And now I have this paste in here. So all I'm doing right now really is creating a cover, because just putting that there doesn't do anything. What I need to do now is I need to link that video. So I'm going to come back on over to this video and hit share. And I'm going to copy the embedded link. Oops. I'm going to copy the embedded link. Then I'm going to come on back over here. I'm going to click on this picture, and then I'm going to have these options come up. I'm going to click on this little paperclip looking guy to insert a link. And I have that link already copied, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste. And then apply. Link doesn't look right. Let's try this again. I'm going to go ahead back. I'm going to copy it one more time. Copy. Paste. Good. Now, when my students click on it, this will pop up. They can click on the link. That will take them right to my live instruction. And the last thing I'm going to do, since this is a Bitmoji classroom, is I'm going to add my Bitmoji. All you really need to do that is add the Bitmoji extension to your Google Chrome. I'm going to click Bitmoji. I already have myself logged in, so I've got all kinds of things going here. And I think I'm just going to look for one of myself waving to kind of welcome them to my class. Look at this ridiculous shark. I love it. I'm going to use it. I'm going to copy and paste and make it a little bigger so I'm relative to the size of my desk. And there you go. This is a bit of a ridiculous Google Classroom, but hopefully that does help you figure out how you can play around with it and create your own Bitmoji classroom. I hope you enjoyed.